Coding the Curb's Smart Zone Explainer. In cities around the globe, a battle for space has started. We need space for delivering goods, to park our cars, and to travel from A to B. What if you were able to reserve your own space? Well, Coding the Curbs helps you to do this. And in this video, we'll explain how to book these locations known as smart zones. Option 1. Booking in advance. Through our web-based app, you can easily make a reservation for the future. Step 1. Find your preferred smart zone location. Step 2. Choose your time slot. Step 3. Select your desired vehicle. Step 4. Check the booking and confirm. Your reservation is complete. Option 2. On location. Did you find a smart zone that is still available? You can also book on the spot in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Scan the QR code on the smart sign. Step 2. Choose your existing vehicle or enter a new license plate. Step 3. Confirm, and the smart zone is yours for the next 15 minutes. By using the smart zone, you're contributing to a more livable city, where nuisance, unsafe situations, and traffic congestions are decreased. In the future, it will be possible to use the smart zones for more than just logistics and parking. During off-peak hours, the smart zone can be reserved for recreation, shared mobility, bike parking, or any other purpose that people need. Together, we make our streets more livable. Visit smartzonebooker.com to book your first smart zone today. Coding the Curbs, in collaboration with the City of Groningen, Bucharest, and Riga.